This BurnBrite 88001 is the first premium electric fireplace that was designed for dual use. It can be installed in wall as a recessed fireplace, or hung on wall without the need to cut into your drywall. This dual use makes it perfect for any install. And when you combine it with BurnBrite's beautifully realistic flame display, you get incredible value. Plus it has a bold 10-color flame display, which you can use in single color mode or mix colors for more fun. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Installation. The BurnBrite is the first premium wall mount electric fireplace that can be installed in wall and wall hanging. Looking for a recessed electric fireplace? The BurnBrite can be mounted in wall in a 6 inches depth wall. Looking for a simple wall hanging install? The BurnBrite supports that as well, with all the hardware you need. Number 2. Decor. BurnBrite's unique design includes both crystals and driftwood. Looking for a more contemporary style? Simply use just the crystal. If you like a more classic look, place the included driftwood on the crystals. Remember, the BurnBrite can be used without the heat function turned on, so you can enjoy just the view without the heater. Number 3. Realistic flame. The BurnBrite uses high-intensity LED lights to give a realistic flame display even in rooms with bright lighting, where other fireplaces with 10 colors have dimmer colors to support all those options. The BurnBrite is developed with Brite realistic flames on all flame settings. The flame is so realistic some of your friends will think it's a gas fireplace. Number 4. Heater. The heat on the BurnBrite comes from just above the flame display and requires no air intake for recessed installations. The fireplace has 2 heat settings at 750 and 1500 watts. The BurnBrite will bring your average room temperature up on a chilly evening or in a drafty room. However, please note the BurnBrite can't be your primary heat source. Number 5. Dimensions. Overall dimension including glass, 50 inches width by 20.1 height by 4/3 inches depth. Firebox dimension without glass, 43.37 inches width by 18.25 inches height by 4 inches depth. Number 6. Wireless remote to control the flame intensity, color, and heat. Control your fireplace's flame color, heat level 2 settings, and flame intensity from anywhere in the room. Number 7. Easy access control panel. The full control panel is easy to access from the front of the fireplace. Features an auto-shutoff timer for setting half to 8 hours of operation time. Number 8. Heat up to 400 square feet. The heater is on the face of the fireplace, which is one of the features that makes it versatile for wall mounting and recessed wall installation. Number 9. 10 flame color choices. You can use BurnBrite's 10 flame colors to match any mood. Try red, blue, yellow, green, white, yellow, or combine colors like blue, green, blue, white, red, green, green, yellow, or others. Number 10. The classic look of real flame. While you may not fool anyone with a blue and green flame, our BurnBrite flames are so realistic, your guests will be afraid to touch the glass, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.